Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginner, Arithmetics, class 24. Title of this class is Indirect Proportion. We define the indirect proportion if one quantity increase, the other quantity decrease at the same rate and vice versa. Here A be the first quantity, if it increase, then implies B decrease. If A decrease, then this implies B increase. We can write like this. We say that A and B has indirect proportion, indirect relation. Example 1. 5 men does a piece of work in 10 days. In how many days 10 men will complete the same work? Here we want to solve this question by using the meaning of indirect proportion. We have two quantity, one mean, another days. Mean, days. Here 5 mean in 10 days. How many days? X we write here, we can write here x in 10 mean. Now if we want to solve this question, we use like this. This number which is located in the next of x is equal to this 10 come here. We compare these two quantity. If we have mean increase, this decrease. If mean decrease, this increase. So we say that there is indirect, the relation between means and this is indirect proportion. So x is equal to, we do not bring here 5 in the denominator, just that the number which is exists in next of x, we can bring it in denominator, and these two number multiply and write over the 10 or in on numerator. 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 5 cancelled by 10 cancelled by 10, and here we have 5. So x is equal to 5 days. 5 days. It is the solution of this example. Second example, 3 pupils can complete the project in 7 days. How long will it take 5 pupils? If 3 pupils complete the project in 7 days, 5 pupils in how many days they will complete that project? We have pupil and days. Pupil, how many pupils? 3 pupils. In how many days? 7 days. 5 pupils in how many? 5 pupils in how many days they will complete that project? X is equal to, if pupil become more or increase, then days will decrease. It is indirect proportion. So x is equal to the number which is exist in next of x, it comes to the denominator, and 7 multiplied by 3 right on the numerator. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 21 divided by 5. It is not divisible, it has decimal quotient. So 21 divided by 5, 4 times 4 multiplied by 5, 20. We have 1.10. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. Here it is the quotient. X is equal to 4.2 days. It is the answer of this question. Every direct